All right, so I am starting off with a YouTube thumbnail, and I'm going to come to Elements, and I'm going to place this image on my background. I'm going to right click and set this image as my background, and you can use any image whatsoever. I'm going to add some text to this image, and in here, in all caps, I'm going to type Hawaii. I'm going to make that a little bit larger. And I'll place it right there. Now for this text, I'm actually going to go into Effects, and I'm going to choose the shadow effect. And as you can see, there is a white shadow there. I'm going to change that shadow color right here to black. And I'm going to increase the transparency a little bit. And I'm also going to blur it like that, and I'm going to decrease the offset so that it's closer to the actual text. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make a copy of this and place it right on top. And I'm going to go back into the settings for the shadow effect, because now I'm working on the text that I have copied. And I'm going to change the direction. And so we should see two separate directions of that shadow because we've got two text boxes, one on top of another. All right, and I'm going to leave that like that. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to take both of those text boxes. So I'll copy them. I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to put that right here on this page. And I'm going to go to an app called Design to Image. So here it is right here, Design to Image, and I'm going to convert this page to an image. So here I'm going to select PNG, I'm going to select transparent, and I only want page 2. I'm going to say done, and I'm going to export. So it's going to export that just like it would normally as if I were downloading. So you could also come up here to the share button and go through the same process. I'm going to come back up here to the top, and I'm going to add this to my design. Now that I don't need the text, I'm just going to get rid of that like that. And for this, I'm just going to keep it right here on the side. We're going to go now to an app called Blend Image. So I'll come here and I'm going to select this app right here. I'm going to open it. And for the bottom, I'm going to choose the background image of Hawaii. And for the top layer, I'm going to choose the text. So I'll choose that image right there. Now it does have to be an image. That's why we went through the process of downloading it and then re-uploading it into Canva as an image using that design to image app. This is what it looks like. So in the blend mode, you'll need to select multiply, and this is the end result. I'm going to go to another page, and I'm going to place this design right on my workspace. Here it is right here. I'm going to set this image as my background as soon as it's finished uploading. And this is what it looks like right here. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Did you learn anything in this tutorial? Did you like it? Did you hate it? You know what? I take all types of engagement. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. It doesn't matter to me. Anyhow, my friends, I'm going to say bye-bye until next time. And if there's anything else that you want to learn, drop that in the comments too.